Hey there, what going on YouTube? It's your boy Drip. Okay then, back with another video. Today I'm gonna be showing y'all my new swatches, my new shade, whatever you want to call it, skin tones. I made them myself. Alright, so I'm gonna be putting this on my Patreon so y'all can go get it. I'll probably put it up there for like $5. Some cheap, you feel me? For all the artists that's out there, you feel me? But I made these all from scratch. But yeah, let's get into it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Okay then. Alright, so first, before you do anything, open up the file. I'm gonna make it, it's gonna be a zip file, so you're gonna have to extract it so I can put it on there like easier. But anyways, so before you do anything, I'm gonna show y'all how to open it and everything. So you're gonna have to, let me go ahead. I'm finna make it into a, y'all gonna see me make it into a little compressed file. Okay, so when you do that, I'm gonna put this in another file just for the sake of the video. So download 7-zip if you don't already have it, and I'm sure you have it. But anyways, download 7-zip, and what you want to do is extract file, and so it's everything gonna be correct. It won't need a password or nothing. Alright, so you double click, double left click, and then open up the readme. So how to open up in Adobe Illustrator. Double left click on the mouse and it should open correctly. So since I just said that, let's see how it go. Alright, so I'm thinking that it worked correctly. If I'm not mistaken, it worked correctly. But if it doesn't work correctly, that was just me making it. But if it don't work correctly, this is what you do. Bang. Alright, I'm gonna get rid of this. Go ahead and get rid of this. Matter of fact, I'm gonna open up a whole new file. So we're just gonna make a new file for the sake of the video, and go up here and come to Windows. Alright, go down where it says swatches after you get the Windows. Alright, when you get in the swatches menu, go to swatch libraries menu. Alright, and now that you have that, see, it's already up here for me, but if it doesn't pop up there, you can go to other library. I don't know what I was finna say. Other library, hit desktop, find wherever you put it. So hopefully it's on your desktop, and then you should see where it should show it right there, but it's gonna be up here. Alright, so and when you see it, you just hit open, and boom, there she goes. There she goes again. And everything will work correctly, my boy. Alright, so as you can see, boom, it works correctly. Don't forget to go get that guy on Patreon. The link will be in the description. And also don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if this video was helpful to you in any way. Yeah, that's the end of the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Okay.